Four best investments for beginners to make money online. As a complete beginner in the online space, there are different investments you can try out to make money online, and these investments are easy to get into even if you have no prior experience with them, and you will still be able to make money for yourself. And as you grow, you can start investing in others because by then you will have knowledge of how they work. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of these investments, how much you need to start, how long you need to leave your money there, and the platform you can use to make these investments. These platforms are super easy to use. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is all my personal experience and thoughts and is subject to change. You should always do your own research to get more information on how this works. If today is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Wise and I'm a graphic designer, finance content creator, and a video editor. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. Yes, you are missing a lot. Right now, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I leave video just like this, you will get notified. And don't forget to like and share this video with those that might like it. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. The first investment you can go into as a beginner is mutual fund. A mutual fund is a type of investment where money from many people is combined together and managed by a professional fund manager. Instead of buying individual stocks or bonds yourself, you buy unit shares of the mutual fund, and the fund invests the money on your behalf. For mutual fund investment, you can go for money market funds because the risk is low and you can start with as low as 5,000 Naira. And from 1 month and above, you can start getting returns on your investment. And the platform you can use to make this investment are Starbik mutual funds or Carrywise. You can choose any of the any of these two, anyone that you know that you love. You can choose any of these platforms, either Starbik mutual funds or Carrywise. You can use it to start your mutual fund investment. The second investment you can go into is fintech high interest saving accounts. Yeah, these are platforms where you save money and it earns interest for you, and the amount you need to start depends on how much you are willing to invest. Yes, so there's no really amount there that you must invest. It depends on how much you are ready to invest. If you save 1,000 Naira today in your PiggyVest account, it will definitely earn interest for you. And how long you need to leave your money there depends on you. If you save today and tomorrow you want to remove money, you can remove your money. Yes, it depends on how long you want it to stay. The platform you can use are Sycamore, Optimas, Carriers, and many others. There are many others, but those few that I just mentioned, you can use them to invest your money. The third investment you can go into is treasury bills, where you are investing with the government. Yes, the risk level is very low, and with 1,000 Naira, you can start investing in treasury bills depending on the platform you are using and for how long it will take. Yes, it's usually take from like 1 month to from 3 months to 1 year. Yes, it's usually not more than 1 year. And for the platform you use to invest in treasury bill, you can use AfriVest and Bamboo. Yes, AfriVest and Bamboo are some platform that you can use. Those are the ones that I actually know of. The fourth investment you can go into is saving bond. Yes, saving bond, where you invest with the government and the minimum amount is 5,000 Naira. Yes, with as low as 5,000 Naira, you can start investing in saving bond with the government. And this is a long-term investment because you have to wait for like 2 years. Yes, because you have to wait for like 2 years before you can start accessing your money, but you will be receiving interest every quarter. To invest in this saving bond, you can use platform like AfriVest. Yes, you get the chance to invest every month on using AfriVest. You can get the chance to be investing every month. Yeah, for 5,000 Naira, you can start investing in this. Yes, so these are 4 types of investment you can go into. Yes, if you want to start investing in funds. Yes, if you have any question regarding this or any other area, drop it in the comment section and I will be ready to give you answer to all of your questions. And also let me know in the comment section if you will start investing from today. Yes, if you want to start investing from today, let me know in the comment section. If you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Yes, this will help me to keep creating content such as this. Stay smart, stay growing, and I will see you on my next video.